Ready to unlock effortless crypto transfers between Telegram and Bybit? Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app and navigate to your wallet bot if you haven't already. Search for wallet in Telegram and start the bot. Make sure it's the official Telegram wallet for security. Inside the wallet bot, you'll see options to buy, sell, and deposit crypto. Tap on the deposit option. This is how we'll move crypto into your Telegram wallet if you need funds there first. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as USDT or Bitcoin. The bot will then generate a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. Carefully copy the generated deposit address. Double-check it to avoid any errors. Sending crypto to the wrong address could result in permanent loss. Now head over to your Bybit account. Go to your Assets or Wallet section and find the Withdraw option. Choose the same cryptocurrency you selected in Telegram, and then paste the deposit address you copied from the Telegram wallet into the withdrawal address field. Also, enter the amount you want to transfer. Carefully review all the details, including the address and amount, before confirming the withdrawal. You may need to complete a verification step, like entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once the transaction is confirmed on Bybit, it will take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Telegram wallet. You'll receive a notification in Telegram when the deposit is complete. Now you are all set. You can easily manage your crypto and trade more seamlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.